Have you ever wondered why people behave the way they do? This is the realm of psychology. Psychology, a diverse and complex field, is the scientific study of the human mind and behavior. It seeks to understand and explain how we think, act, and feel. Akin to an intricate mosaic, each piece, each thought, feeling, and action fits together to create the panorama of human experience. The world of psychology is as vast as it is fascinating, constantly evolving with every new discovery. It's like an endless labyrinth, with each turn unveiling a new aspect of human behavior and the mind's capabilities. This labyrinth, though intricate and occasionally elusive, is what makes us uniquely human. Today we'll be embarking on a captivating expedition through this labyrinth. We'll be exploring 10 intriguing questions about psychology, questions that have puzzled, fascinated, and sometimes even unnerved humanity. And of course, we'll also dive into their equally intriguing answers. From the power of the mind and the mystery of dreams to the spectrum of human emotions, the fear factor and the influence of our environment, we'll delve deep into these subjects. We'll examine how habits form and how memories shape us. We'll reflect on the concept of personality and the captivating phenomenon of love. Lastly, we'll ponder over the human mind's capacity, its limitless potential, and its stunning complexity. Each one of these topics is a testament to the intriguing world of psychology, a world that offers insights into our behaviors, beliefs, and biases. It's a world that holds a mirror to our inner selves, allowing us to better understand who we are and why we do the things we do. So whether you're a seasoned psychology enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this journey promises to be enlightening. It's a journey that will take us into the depths of the human psyche, offering a glimpse into the heart of what makes us tick. Ready to dive into the human mind? Prepare for a fascinating journey? Question 1. Can our mind really influence our physical health? Let's dive into this fascinating query. The answer lies in psychosomatic symptoms and the placebo effect. Psychosomatic symptoms refer to physical ailments triggered or exacerbated by mental factors. For instance, stress and anxiety can lead to headaches, stomach issues, and even heart problems. On the other hand, the placebo effect is a testament to the power of belief. When individuals are given a sugar pill but told it's a potent medication, their health often improves. They believe they are being treated, and so their bodies respond as if they are. In essence, our mental state, our thoughts, perceptions, and beliefs can significantly impact our physical well-being. They can cause physical discomfort or, conversely, ignite healing. So, to answer the question, can our mind really influence our physical health? The answer is a resounding yes. So yes, our mind can indeed influence our physical health. Question 2. Why do we dream? This question has puzzled thinkers and scientists for millennia, generating countless theories. Some propose that dreams serve as a psychological space where we process emotions, working through the joys and sorrows of our waking lives in a safe, unconscious environment. Others suggest that dreams act as a mental problem-solving arena, where our brains attempt to unravel the complexities we encounter during our waking hours. However, despite these intriguing theories, the exact purpose of dreams remains shrouded in mystery. Dreams are an intimate and deeply personal experience, as varied and unique as the individuals who dream them. They can be vivid or vague, logical or absurd, mundane or utterly fantastical. They can invoke a wide spectrum of emotions, from sheer terror to pure joy. Yet their true function in our lives remains elusive. Dreams, it seems, are a nightly adventure that we are yet to fully understand. Question 3. Why do humans have a wide range of emotions? A fascinating inquiry indeed. Evolutionary science provides a compelling explanation. Our emotions, you see, are not just random feelings. They are sophisticated tools honed by millions of years of evolution. They guide our behavior, steer our decisions, and shape our interactions. Imagine if we only felt happiness. We'd lack the caution that fear instills, the drive that anger provokes, or the bonding that love encourages. We'd be ill-equipped to navigate the world's complexities. Similarly, negative emotions, while often uncomfortable, serve important roles. Fear, for instance, keeps us safe from danger, while sadness can signal a need for help or support. Every emotion, from the most euphoric joy to the deepest sorrow, has a purpose. They are our internal compass, guiding us through the labyrinth of life. So, to put it simply, Our wide emotional range is a testament to the intricate dance of survival and adaptation. Our emotions, it appears, are vital to our survival and success as a species. Question 4. Why do we experience fear? Fear, in essence, is an integral part of our survival toolkit. It's a primal instinct that has been with us since the dawn of humanity, playing a critical role in keeping us safe from danger. When our brain perceives a threat, it triggers a fear response. This response is our body's way of preparing us to either stand our ground and fight, or to take flight and escape. This is commonly referred to as the fight or flight response. Inside our brain, the amygdala, which you can think of as the brain's alarm system, is responsible for triggering this response. It processes the information from our senses, and if it detects a threat, it immediately sends a distress signal to the rest of the brain. So, while fear can be quite unpleasant, it's also incredibly important. It helps us recognize danger and respond in a way that increases our chances of survival. Fear, while unpleasant, is a crucial survival mechanism. Question 5. Why are habits so hard to break? Let's delve into the power of habits, shall we? Our brains are incredibly efficient machines, constantly looking for ways to save effort. When we repeat a behavior, our brain begins to automate it, forming a habit. This automation frees up mental resources for other tasks, but it also means that habits can persist even when we're trying to change them. Now let's consider the brain's reward system. When we perform an action that meets a need or fulfills a desire, our brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. This dopamine release reinforces the habit, making us more likely to repeat the behavior in the future. So, in essence, habits are hard to break because they are deeply ingrained in our brain's circuitry, reinforced by our own neurochemistry. Breaking habits requires conscious effort and patience, but it is indeed possible. Question 6. Why do we forget things? Let's dive into the realm of our memory. Memory is the mental faculty of retaining and recalling past experiences. It's an integral part of our lives, shaping our identity and guiding our decisions. But why then do we forget? Forgetting is not always indicative of a cognitive decline. In fact, it's a normal part of memory processing. Our brain is not designed to remember everything, but to filter out what's irrelevant, making room for new, pertinent information. This selective forgetting helps us adapt to new situations by letting go of outdated information. Moreover, forgetting can also be a coping mechanism, allowing us to move past traumatic experiences. It's our brain's way of protecting us from emotional distress. So, the next time you forget where you left your keys, remember your brain is simply prioritizing. It's choosing what's important and what's not. Forgetting, it turns out, is not always a bad thing. Question 7. How does our environment influence our behavior? A fascinating query indeed. Our behavior isn't solely a product of our genetic makeup, it's a blend of nature and nurture, a dance between our DNA and the world around us. Environmental factors play a massive role in shaping our attitudes, beliefs, and actions. For instance, growing up in a bustling city might make someone more adaptable to change, while a small-town upbringing could foster a strong sense of community. Exposure to different cultures, climates, and even architectural styles can subtly shift our perspectives, molding our behavior in the process. Our surroundings can also influence our emotions and stress levels. Ever notice how a sunny day can lift your spirits, or how a cluttered room can make you feel anxious? These are prime examples of environmental influences on our behavior. Let's not underestimate the power of our environment. It's not just a backdrop for our lives, it's an active participant, a silent shaper of our actions and reactions. Our environment plays a significant role in shaping who we are. Question 8. Why are people so different? Dive deep into the ocean of human personality and you'll find an incredible variety of unique beings. This variety stems from the concept of personality. But what is personality, you may ask? It's a combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's distinctive character. Now, why are personalities so diverse? The answer lies in 3 key factors: genetics, environment, and personal experiences. Genetics, our biological blueprint, sets the foundation. However, it's not all about genes, and our environment, from the culture we're immersed in to the people we interact with, shapes us too. Lastly, our personal experiences, those singular moments of joy, pain, triumph, and failure, carve out our personality in unique ways. So, the next time you marvel at the differences among people, remember it's the distinct blend of these factors that makes us who we are. Personality is a complex interplay of many factors, making each of us unique. Question 9. Why do we fall in love? What a fascinating query. Love in its most basic form is a potent brew of psychological and biological factors. It's a dance between our minds and bodies, a delicate balance struck by nature. From the biological perspective, hormones play a pivotal role. Dopamine, the pleasure hormone, floods our system when we're around those we're drawn to, spurring feelings of joy and satisfaction. Oxytocin, often dubbed the love hormone, fosters deep bonds and feelings of trust. On the psychological front, shared experiences and emotional intimacy are critical. When we share moments of joy, sorrow, fear, and triumph with another person, a profound connection is forged. This bond deepens with emotional intimacy, the ability to share our innermost thoughts, fears, and dreams without judgment. So, why do we fall in love? It's a combination of biology and psychology, of shared experiences and emotional intimacy. Love, it seems, is as complex as it is beautiful. Question 10. How much information can the human mind hold? A question that has piqued the curiosity of many. While exact quantification remains elusive, estimates suggest that the brain's storage capacity is equivalent to about 1 million gigabytes. That's comparable to around 3 million hours of television shows. But before you start marveling at this vast virtual library, remember this. It's not just about how much information we can store, but how efficiently we use it. Our minds are not just passive repositories. They actively process, categorize, and synthesize information, helping us make sense of the world around us. It's like a master librarian who knows not only where each book is, but also the essence of every story, the relevance of each fact, and how they all interconnect. This remarkable ability to collate and connect information is what truly sets the human mind apart. The human mind, it appears, is capable of incredible feats. So there you have it, 10 intriguing questions about psychology and their answers. We've journeyed through the expansive landscape of the human mind, delving into its power and the enigmatic world of dreams. We've explored the spectrum of emotions, the gripping hold of fear, and the compelling force of habits. We've examined the crucial role of memory and the profound influence of our environment. We delved into the complex concept of personality and the captivating phenomenon of love. We've also pondered on the astounding capacity of the human mind. Each of these areas is a world in itself, ripe with further questions to explore and mysteries to unravel. The world of psychology is vast and fascinating, and I encourage you to continue exploring, questioning, and understanding. Remember, understanding the mind is the key to understanding ourselves and others. Thank you for joining this exploration into the human mind.